Yo, you reached Tabo channel. This is Tabo, the jack of all trade and master of none. Hey, that's a rap, cool rap, dude. Anyway, hey, yeah, man, I'm here to share my language learning, my bodybuilding, my step challenge, my scrapping, my artwork, my blog, my everything, anything that I am interested in. I want to share it with you guys. This channel is gonna be mainly about me trying to make more money. I want to teach you how to make more money, about how to learn new languages, learn new words every day. We're gonna have the words of the day, teach you the tricks and memory tricks, how to remember words, how to associate word with other languages, cool stuff. I am currently trying to learn about 40 to 80 languages in one day, a word every day, in 40 to 80, in 80 languages. Usually I could get about maybe 40. But some of those languages, if you group them together, the words are very similar, like all the Romance language. Easy stuff, easy stuff. We're going to learn it together on this channel. So check it out, subscribe, comment, let me know your tricks. Let me know how you do things. Share everything. Like I said, want to share how to make money, how to learn languages, my artwork, my fitness program I'm working on, So check me out, comment below, subscribe. It's early in the morning when we are rock and rolling, 6:30 in the morning.